Very good morning to you all, fourth semesters, Motihari Engineering College, especially faculty, that is the civil. Today, I will discuss not last, but the last but one topic of the module 5, and that is organizational politics and the factor contributing to political behavior. Basically, the organizational politics, here is basically two words. One is the politics, second is the organization. The politics word is the related to the human or a man. It may be boy, it may be girl, it may be men. And organization, we cannot assume any organization in the world, any pluralistic society in the world without organization. If there is organization, it means that there is a pluralistic society of a human. It may be man, it may be woman, it may be engineer, it may be worker, it may be accountant, it may be he, it may be she. So, first to identify, and we must develop our concept towards the politics. What the politics? Basically, in a higher sense, the word politics, before giving you a very good concept of the politics, I would like to give one example. First, suppose you are working in X organization. Suppose you are working in a X organization, and in that very organization, if any incapable, ill-efficient, non-qualified person is your boss, what will happen? The resultant will be very demerit, a series of demerit you will find there. It is well known to you, if you are the qualified, if you are the literate person and your boss is the illiterate and not qualified, it simply blocks the good things of the organization because your boss is not qualified. Whatsoever he is the getting, whatsoever he is the earning in that particular organization on that very post, it is not due to his the qualification, it is due to his the politics. This politics may be in a different form, and the feature of it may be of form of the nepotism. It may be a forms of some influence. It may be a forms of some compulsion, whatever the cause may be. But this is never be a good. But this is never be a good. Here, I will discuss the organizational politics. Basically, the organizational politics is basically a process of the behind the screen. What does director do? Director directs the picture, but his face and his appearance is no more in the 3 hours. In the same manner, in the organization, the director of the politics, it is very difficult to find and assess. You will only see an actor. If the actor is good, the picture is good. If the actor is bad, picture will be flop in the same manner. If the actor, in the terms of the implies the good in your organization will grow. If the actor will not like a good actor, again your organization will be on a very average mode. Right? Is it clear? In the same manner. Here, I have given a sufficient and the case study to you. Please realize, and now you understand, organizational politics are informal. There is no formality. There is no final hierarchy. An unofficial and sometimes behind the scene efforts to sell ideas and influence an organization. The organization politics has a very indirect, informal capacity and the influencing your behavior, your idea, your sense. Okay? Again, in the second form of the definition, I am making things more clear. Organization politics to refer the intentional behavior that are designed to enhance and to protect the person influence and the self-interest. Means the person who does politics, the person who having the some hidden interest, he will say no, 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 but in the hidden of his the heart, he is looking for a better power, better post, better position. And for this he will play the game of the politics in the organization. Because the politics play, the playing of the politics is where there is pluralistic society. So this type of the politics one can find in the pluralistic society, even in the institution, even in the political parties, companies, private companies, PSU, and there are so many companies, multinational companies even. Here, if the politics, the word politics is definitely resulting a negative effect, dysfunctional effect, you will find a series of the demerit there. You will find a very good hiking and a spiking graph of the labor turnover and the degrowth. And this is not going to be fit for any country. And when the organization politics germinates in that very political organization, be ready. If you check instantly, then thing is good, thing is right. Otherwise, the influence and the circum and the border area of the organizational politics will be very much advanced and very much expansive. Is it clear? Right. First, I am giving one example. Low job satisfaction. You will find there are so many literate, there are so many qualified, there are so many skilled person. You will off and on and very frequently will listen. He will put up his opinion that I am very much dissatisfied in this company because there are a very few things that is captivating, that is motivating, that imply this is not a good thing. It means that the organization politics crept there. Second, the high stress means the real meaning of the high stress is more work crush wood unheard. Suppose it is well realized and well known to you, if I will work much here, I will be the less paid and the same paid. There is no recognition, there is no reward, there is no award, there is no recognition. Why you will make a 12? It make no sense to be work more there, because it is well known to you the person who is not doing the work, he is getting something, but I am doing the work, even though I am not paid off by the reward or the monetary gain or not even the recognition. So it is better to be stay there by not doing. What is this? This is a very hidden dangerous virus. It is also the effect of the organization politics. Low performance, if there is a low performance, you cannot say always that there is a low performance. No. If there is a low performance, it means that there is a very less degree and very less dose, and there is a very less point of the motivational power in that particular HRD department, human resources department. So there the human resources department must plant and must implement so many motivational programs so that the organization can grow up and your rate of the absenteeism and the growth of the rate can hike. Good displacement, goal displacement. Suppose you are giving me a goal of the 50% of a target of this very product. On the same day you are giving a 40% target achievement for another person. So the 10% difference of target will create a confusion in that very organization. Why a person who will do the more 10% to whom you have assigned the 50% target? This is not a good thing. It shows that you are setting your target not as per the company need. You are setting the target as per your personal and the departmental need, and this is not a corporate culture. Organizational conflict. Time and the energy will be wasted if the organizational conflict is not resolved. High turnover and the absenteeism. If you have a very good and a strong pillar of the staying, means no job leaving, no job absenteeism, your growth will improve. If anything is improperly executed in your organization, you will find the rate of absenteeism will improve, the communication will spoil, the number of the motivation will increase, the growth organization will improve, and the good qualified person will leave your company. Unable person will join your company, and finally you will be very far and very lag behind of a goal. So you must, being a good engineer, being a good manager, you must check it out by your means. A factor contributing to the political behavior. Individual and the organization factor can be increased political behavior and provide the favorable outcomes. Because organization is the form of structured of not only a bricks and the cement and the iron pillar. The most important ingredients, that is a man. And man is nothing, it is simply a thought of the product. So please value it. Individual factor. If your company is if you are looking only your target about your wife, about your children, about your relatives, and your self target, and the forgetting the corporate target, what you are doing? You are solving and you have become a very selfish, because you are only looking for your family, wife, and the children. No doubt you think over that. But if you are only thinking about your wife and the children and your spouse and the near and dear and the relative in the organization at the cost of the corporate goal, at the cost of the company goal, it means the company is deviating from a target, and you are solving your problem, but the company is not solving her problem. So please take care, and please differentiate it. Make out, spare out, and clear out your vision that this is the company target, we have to do it, and this is my personal target, I have to do it. And what is the best timing as per the need, you have to cope it up. Organizational factor. There are so many organizational factor. Trust. If the low trust will be in your organization, definitely the company will be a very chicken-hearted. They will not step up very confidently for any job in your organization. But if your trust is much, you will do the wonderful job. Resources, you have to apply your resources logically, otherwise you will find there is a great frequency of the losing of the resources is at the rate of the very high, but the output is the very less. Technology and the external environment. If the technology is the savvy, the thing is the good. If the technology is the turbulent and the problematic, again, the thing will be not in your hand. Don't expect the employee who is more than the 60% in your organization, who is the old age, he will apply and he will sit on a computer for a very long time, and he will learn a new language. There is nothing like so, and he will go outside and do your sales and the marketing job. If you are doing so, the thing is not good. A cultural factor, ठीक है? There are so many cultural factors also involving. If you are the very much good communication, the thing is good, right? If you are the very good motivator, the thing is good, right? If any of the two improperly used in your organization, thing is not good. And the change, planned organization change, the thing is good, always changes. But the unplanned changes in any organization is one of the most dangerous factor. So please avoid it. If you find here is the mother of the organization politics, please avoid it, check it out, and this is very important for any organization. There are so many great organizations of the world that became completely spoiled only due to the more and the more influence of the politics. Recently, take example of the Air India. Once upon a time, the Air India was a epitome of our industries in our service sector. Right now, the thing is not very good. There are so many companies that were the setting up in the Bengal, in the Calcutta region, but they are not enjoying as they were. So the organization politics is somehow, it is not a good thing. Please check out, this is your personal self, this is your personal interest to do it personally. But where there is a matter of the company, be justice for that. So I think you are very much confident about it. In the meantime, I am closing this topic, and please stay in your home. Eat much, sleep much, and study much. Thank you very much.